Hello everyone, my name is Vyam Dugwa. I will the UKG class. Today I will talk about everything.
Okay, let's talk about everything. Okay, first you tell me what are fractions?
Fractions. Fractions are slices.
Slices?
Slices of you have 8 slices of pizza, then you eat 3 of slices of pizza. Then is 3 by 8.
And if you have 5 slices of pizza and you will eat only 2 slices of pizza, then?
2 by 5.
Okay, can you tell me about angles? What are angles?
Now, second is angle. First is fraction done.
Which angles are these?
What? Acute angle.
Why this is acute angle?
But this is not acute angle. This one is.
Yes, this is acute angle.
No. This
No?
is pink cute. It's pink. Pink cute angle. And also white angle, red white angle, green obtuse angle.
Is this green?
Yes, obtuse angle is green, but you write these one, but green angle are green are two, obtuse. You write that, Mamu.
Okay,
And this also
can you
is
tell me
pink and
angles
green.
with your hands? Can you explain angles with your hands?
Okay.
Tell me. Right angle.
Right angle. Okay. Right angle is this. This is right there.
Okay, and obtuse angle?
Obtuse. Okay.
And acute angle? Very good. Let's do some addition. Okay?
Yes. Now the first, second are done.
Now
Fraction angle are done. Now plus and minus.
Okay, sit down.
But where must it? Okay.
Sit down.
Now it's time to get out.
Okay. If I'll give you 5 candies and I'll give you 5 more candies, then how many total candies you will have?
Is 5 by
Addition. If I'll give you 5 candies,
10.
10. And if I'll give you 2 more candies,
What?
2 more candies.
12.
If I'll give you 3 more candies,
15.
if I'll give you 4 more candies,
17.
count again. 15 plus how many candies I said? 3 more candies.
19.
No.
18.
Yes. If I'll give you 2 more candies,
What?
you have 19 candies and I will give you 2 more candies.
21.
And if you have 24 candies, I will give you 2 more candies.
What?
You have 24 candies.
21.
No,
Give me 21 candies.
okay. If you have 21 candies, I will give you 6 more candies then.
27.
If you have 27 candies, I will give you 3 more candies.
30.
If you have 30 candies, I will give you 5 more candies.
35.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now we'll do subtraction. And now
You told me of that one is one next to 30.
okay. If you have 30 candies and I will take 3 candies from you.
Okay.
Do it fast. If you have
27.
if you have 27 candies, I will take 4 candies
You
from
have to
you.
do same when you told me.
What I told you?
Like 4, 5, and also and 5 and one more 5, 12, 13, 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh.
No, you have assume you have 21 candies and I will take 3 candies from you. Then
24.
you have not addition, subtraction. You have 21 candies and I will take 3 candies from you.
21 candies.
I will take 3 candies from you.
Nah. 18.
If you have 18 candies and I will take 5 candies from you.
13.
If you have 13 candies, I will take 3 more candies from you.
10.
If you have 10 candies, I will take 4 candies from you.
5.
No, if you have 10 candies, I will take 4 candies from you.
7. 6.
6. If you have 6 candies, I will take 3 candies from you.
3.
If you have 3 candies, I will take 3 candies from you.
0.
0.
0.